Thank you.
Hi, my name is Tatu Mhlungu. I'm the principal of A.B. Kulwane Primary School, which is situated in the John Tauba in the Northern Cape at Kahung Village. We are having a number of totaling 763 learners. And hey, I want to make you aware that the program that we've been attending, the outstanding schools, the public schools, yes, it has been so wonderful for us because it has changed a lot of things at my school. Right now, as I'm talking, we have programs that we have contracted educators, we have contracted HODs as well as the deputy principal. So the work is being done in a very appropriate way, in such a way that everybody sees the necessity of making everyone's job to be important to every one of us. And a lot of things have changed, right from the curriculum coverage issues up until the administration ways of doing things. I suppose that you all join this program so that we can make our schools a better school. I thank you for that.